everyone. My name is Richard Seroter and welcome to my course, Getting Started with Concourse. I'm a Vice President at Pivotal, the company behind the Concourse open source project. Implementing deployment pipelines may be the most important thing you can do with your software team right now. Getting software to production consistently is something that distinguishes those best tech teams from the merely average. In this course, we are going to dig deep on Concourse, a popular open source continuous integration and delivery tool that's easy and actually kind of fun to use. No prior experience with Concourse is needed. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding the core concepts and architecture of Concourse, designing, assembling, and operating pipelines. We'll look at how to build multi-stage pipelines. We'll see how to implement maintainable pipelines that are easily changed. And we'll look at techniques for troubleshooting your pipelines. By the end of this course, you'll know why Concourse works the way it does and how to use it to build effective, manageable pipelines to deliver software to production. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of application development, build tools, and have some comfort working with the command line. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about continuous integration and delivery in this course about getting started with Concourse here at Pluralsight.